Huh. What a great picture of a young Dave Jackson. Huh. I'm local D-list celebrity Dave Jackson. I wish I could learn a little bit about the Algebra 2 packet for the final exam, questions 48 and 49.
Oh, there. I didn't see it there.
Oh. Well, what are you doing?
I'm doing problems 48 and 49 in the Algebra 2 final exam review packet.
What a coincidence. As a D-list celebrity, local, I was just trying to complete that.
Oh, come on.
Do you mind if I take a look?
Of course. So, the question for 48 is write a formula for the nth particle sum of the arithmetic series with a sub 4 equals 23 and d of 2.
That's the exact problem I was working with. I don't think you could do it. I don't think anyone could do it.
Oh, well, I'll try my best. The formula you would use for this is a sub n equals n over 2 times a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times the d value. Now, we already have some of this information. We have the d value.
Wow, you're so smart. You must be the smartest in your class.
Oh, I wish so. And then, at this point, we can start putting some of the information in. So we have the start of the formula, a sub n equals n over 2 times 2 a sub 1, and then n minus 2, and in this case, the 2 would be replaced with the d, because it's the d value.
Well, I've watched a Khan Academy video several times, and I haven't learned this much. Keep going.
Okay, so the problem we have here is that we have a sub 4. Which in this case wouldn't work because we need a sub 1. So we're going to do a little side work. We're going to make out 4 slots. Well, yeah. So 23 goes here because it's the 4th value.
Oh, I see exactly now.
Yeah. And then, so D is the intervals you would go by to get each number. So in this case, we would be subtracting 2 each time.
So you just put the numbers right there to help keep track.
Exactly.
That's a great idea.
So this is your a sub 1.
Wow, now I understand where a sub 1 comes from.
So if we put that back in the problem, a sub n equals n over 2 times 2, the a sub 1 is 17.
So you just plug it in there.
Plug it in right there. Plus n minus 1, and the d value is still 2.
This is a combination of 48 and 49, correct?
No, this is just 48.
Just 48, I understand it, right.
48.
But now I can understand 49 because of this.
Exactly. This could be your n value. Or
I see.
you can continue down and go n over 2 times 34.
Oh, I see what you did.
Exactly. And then if you wanted to distribute these, it would be 2n minus 2. And that could also be an n1.
That's genius. I think I'll call you Math Boy from now on.
Sounds good.
Well, thanks again.
That's great.
Have a great day, Gabe Jackson.
Good job. Now we have to do 49, though.
Excellent. Let's start.
All right. So, bam, just like that.
How did you do this? Now we're on problem 49. Where did 48 go?
It disappeared. We have 49.
This is excellent. Keep going. I want to know more.
So, 49 is kind of the same. Write a formula for the nth particle sum of the arithmetic series with the changes a of a equals 83 and d is negative 3.
So this is pretty similar to 48.
Yeah.
Excellent.
So in this case, I wrote out the formula already, and I've already replaced d with negative 3.
I see what you did there.
Yeah.
Because prior it said d instead of where the negative 3 was. That's genius.
Exactly.
Time saver.
Exactly. But we still need to find a sub 1.
Well, I don't remember how to do that.
Well, let's make a little side work over here. We have a sub 8, so we're going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Oh, what a great
6,
way to keep
7,
track.
8. Okay.
So you made 8 lines because of a sub 8. I understand.
We did. So we have 83. So that's the 8th term. D is negative 3, which means we're going to have to add 3 each time to get to a sub 1. So according to my calculations, maybe that.
So I see you're just adding 3 each time.
92. Yeah. 95.
And last time it was 2 and we subtracted them. So it's kind of bad. It seems backwards to me, but now I'm understanding it.
So 104 is your ace of 1.
That is a good way to do it.
Yes. So
who taught you how to do it that way?
The wonderful Mr. Clark himself. So now,
Mr. Clark, the math teacher at Plainfield Central High School?
Yeah.
That guy's a celebrity.
He is a celebrity. So now we have our ace of 1, which I've replaced with 104. And if we continue the formula, this would be your end formula. But let's say you wanted to keep going.
I do.
You do? Okay, so we could do ace of n equals n over 2. Multiply these two out. You have 208.
Did you just do that in your head?
I did.
Math boy, you're a genius.
Thank you so much. And then if you wanted to distribute these, it'd be negative 3n plus 3. And that is how you do 48 and 49.
That is awesome.
That is awesome.